Hello, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. My name is Adedapo Micheal the and I am a web designer. I'll be teaching you on how you can design a professional business website on your mobile phone. It's gonna be pretty cool if you can also design your website on your phone. A lot of people are outside there looking for how to design a website, but this training, I'm going to teach you how you can design your website on your mobile phone. So just follow me. I will show you step by step. So let's go. Firstly, we're gonna get our domain name because domain name. Because I will tell you much about the domain name in the theory, please, because I don't want to waste much of time. So we're gonna get domain name and we're gonna get hosting, and both our domain name and our hosting, I will get it for you for free. I will show you where you can get them for free. So everything we'll be using in this tutorial is free. You don't need to pay anything. You are not paying anything. It is free. So relax and enjoy yourself. So the first place we need to go is, let's go to our Chrome. Let me go to our Chrome. So then you will go to, for you to, the first thing we're going to do is that we need to get our domain name. So in this website you will get your domain name for free. So just type freenom.com on your Google and it will bring it. So once you get to this place, you will search for the name you want to use, maybe your business name, your company name, and so forth like that. But for the purpose of this training, I'll be using training. So let's check the availability. Maybe the name is available. It's loading. So let's give it some minutes to load. As you can see now, training is not available. Training.ml is not available. Training.this .ga is not available. So let's look for another. Let's use another name again. So I will go back and search for another name. So let me search for, oh sorry, it logged me out. Let me go to that place again. Freenom.com. Sorry about the network. So I'm searching for another name now. Let me just search for Dleading. That is my website name. You can go and search for www.dleading.com. That's my website name. So Dleading is available now. So they say get one of these domain. They are free. So let's go for this one. Let me go for .ga. Get it now. Once you click on get it now, it's checking. So come to your checkout. It's loading. So let's give it some minutes to load. Now you can see it give us a period of 3 months at free, but we can change it to a 12 months. So let's click 12 months. So and you press continue. It's loading. So can you see total money you are paying nothing, but before then you need to enter your email so that they can verify your email, because they are giving it for free. So you are not paying any money at all for the whole 12 months. So let's enter my email. Dleading training at gmail.com. Yeah, verify my email. So they will send me a mail on my Gmail. Can you see verify link sent to your Gmail, dleading at gmail.com. So I'm going to check my Gmail to see the link. So just follow me. Let's go there. Oh, the mail has not entered. Now, can you see now? They have sent me an email. So let me just click on it. So it's loading. And you can copy the link here and go and paste it on your store. And at the same time, you can click on it here and do what you want to do. So let's continue. Let's click on it here. It's loading. Now, can you see now? So you need to put your name, your details here. If you are buying something online, you need to put your detail like that. So that is what we do now. Now can you see I've entered my details, first name, last name, company name, blah blah, like that. Just enter your details. And one thing again is that you need to tick here, I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. So click on complete order. It's loading. So let's give it some time to load. Now your order is confirmed. So you can go to your client area from here. You can click left click here to go to our client area. Can you see hello Adedapo? This is a welcoming message, stuff like that. It's loading. So you just scroll down and click on my domain. So you need to log in again. So let me log in. Now when you log in and you click on your domain, it will take you to this particular place, which is dleading.ga. This is your domain now. This is the domain. This is the only domain you register now. It's active now. So you now manage it because there's some setting we need to do here. So just click on manage domain. So let's wait for him to load. So there's need for us to log in again. I don't know why we need to log in several times. Now I've logged in again. So can you see? But there's something we need to do here. We are coming to this particular place, management 2. But before we come to this place, let's go to our hosting and let's go and get a free hosting, because there's need for us to get some link from that our hosting that we put here. So just let me maximize this one and go to my Chrome, and let me click on this place. Okay, let me come to this place. So if you want to get a free hosting, just go to infinityfree.net. So infinityfree.net, you can see the name here, infinityfree.net. So after that, you just come here, just scroll down. So can you see the stuff? So just go and just open an account with them, open a free account with them. So let me come up and open, or let me sign in. Click here, free hosting. So let me just, this is the features. I want to look at their stuff. Let me sign up. So that we ask for my email address and my password. So let me use the same thing, dleading@gmail.com, neelytraining@gmail.com, and my password, let me use dleading. Let me pause this. After you input your stuff here, just click on create new account. Verify your email. Can you see a verification link has been sent to this email? So let me go and click on the email and see the verification link. Now as you can see, this is the our web hosting verification link. So verification mail rather. So I will click on it and verify my email address. So let me log in. So it's loading. Network is somehow slow. Now you can see your email address has been verified. You can now create your hosting. So let me save it. I love saving a password because I do forget something. So you can just say, okay, create account. So now choose a domain. Do you want to use their domain, or you have a addition domain? If you are using their subdomain, they will give you a subdomain, but I don't like this. Let me just choose. Now you click on custom domain, which means you have a domain. Now once you click on this place, there's a particular there's a particular number I want us to come and copy here. So you come here and click on learn more, and the reason why we are copying this number is because we are using different domain, different company rather. We went to go and get our domain name from freenom.com. That is a different company, and we get our hosting again at infinityfree.com.net rather. That's another different company again. Having been, we buy the same domain name and hosting from the same company, and we don't need to do what we want to do now. But because we buy it from different area, that is why we are doing it. So we just click on this learn more. So once you click on this learn more, this number, this is what we want to come and copy. This name server, this is the major thing we want to come and copy here. You just click on it and copy it. Now after copying this, you will now go back to your domain. This is your free nom. You now come to manage to. You now click on name server. So you see use default name server. You now click on use custom name server. Now you will need to enter the name server. You just paste it here. Paste it. Come here again, paste it again. You will now change this one to 2. Change this one to 2. Now this is major thing. Now change the name. Click on change name server. In most cases, I think it's low. The network is somehow bad. Now in most cases, this thing used to take up 24 hours, but sometimes only babashi that within 2 days, within few hours. Since we have done this like this, now let's go to our hosting and register this domain name in our hosting again. So let's go back to our hosting. Now. Let me just click. We are done with this place. Let me go back. Now you now put the name of the your domain name here, which is dleading.ga.ga. So I hope I'm not making a mistake. Let me go on. let me look at it very well. Dleading.ga, yes. Because I'm sorry. So you click on search domain. Is available. Can you see now? So you continue. You can add your username and password. So let me just do it within few minutes. Now I've put my password, and the next thing is I'll click on create an account. So we are done. I got great. Can you see your account has been created with the username of this? So I need to copy this username so that I won't forget. But since I'm just using this one as a training, so I don't think I need to copy it. But let me write it down in case. Now I've write the password down. Now the next thing is, can you see view your client area? But we don't need that. Open control panel. Every hosting you buy, if you buy for a paid hosting, they will give you control panel. But the difference between the control panel of paid hosting and this free hosting is that I will show you when we get to that place. So let's proceed. Let's open our control panel. So let's wait. It's loading. I send the message in Facebook. Now, this is the first thing. Now, to show you an important notice, you just click on I approve. So once you click on I approve, thanks, the panel will load now. It's loading. Now, I was saying something. I said there's a difference between paid hosting and free hosting. It is only in free hosting that they can begin to advertise. If you notice, there are some advertisements over there. Yeah, there are some advertisements here. Oh, let me cancel this one for now. So it is all this thing it is only in free hosting. If you use other hosting, if you use a paid hosting, they can't advertise at all. So without wasting much of our time, let's go and install a WordPress. And WordPress is the most common CMS content management system that you can use to build your website. Is the most common one. That is what people use most. So you can just click on subtaculous. It's loading. Can you see top script? What do you see? WordPress. This is the most common one. Is the most common one. I'm not any other script that will match this WordPress. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not this year again. In fact, I'm not sure at all. WordPress is the most common one. So you just click on it. You click on install. You click on install now. Now you can, what do you want to do? Okay, what do we want to use in this website? Let's just use training, Dleading training, site name, Dleading training, site description. The best place to get your web design training. Account username. Most of you can just use admin. For the purpose, if you want to create an account username, create something very meaningful and stuff. But because of this training, I will just use deleting, and I can't use this password. I can't remember. Let me just use deleting. Dleading training. Dleading training. So there's a mistake up here. I need to tell you this thing. If you are installing your WordPress, don't put in some cases you will see in directory you see .wp. Make sure you clean it to make this place empty. If not, the WordPress will not install to the right place. So once you make this place empty, you can continue. Admin email, which made you let's use this dleadingtraining@gmail.com. Let's leave it like that. So you can just come down. So which plugin? Let's use limit. Let me pick on limit login attempt. But if you are using a desktop, you can use a classic editor or leave it let me leave it. So I will just click on install. Within 1 minute on my install. So it's loading. Wow, our website, can you see? Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now your website is live. By God's grace, your website is live. The only thing that can hinder it is if the changes we made in the free domain name. I said it will take 24 hours if the changes have not yet been made effective. But if that changes have been made effective, there's nothing again. Our website is live. But so once you install WordPress, you'll be able to see your website online. Another thing is that this WordPress has a dashboard that is meant for the admin, of the website. It's the back end. So anything you do at the back end will automatically reflect at the front end. All the website you are seeing today is just the front end you are seeing. Or there is a back end to the website. That's whereby every changes can be made over that place in that place. So just relax. Where I will take you step by step to get to the place. Relax and enjoy yourself. And if you have any issue, you can just contact me. My name is Adedapo Micheal Sunday on Facebook. Search for Adedapo Micheal, and my number is 09035382271. And you know, you can reach out to me anytime. I'm your boy. I'm your junior brother. So let's continue. Let's go to our dashboard. Click on this one, on this place rather. It's loading. Let's give it network. Hey, what happened to this? Our network. Oh, my network. Okay, I think it's just bear it with me. The network is somehow stuff. Now, can you see? This is our dashboard. This is the back end of our website, and I'll be showing you our front end. So let me go and search for Dleading.ga. So let me click on this place. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me open one new incognito. So let me search for Dleading.ga. Dleading. This is my normal website, my own website, my personal website. This one I'm using for this training. So let's wait. Can you see? This is how it will look like. Every website you can ever see, this is how it will look like. This is the default look. Any website think about, even though if you pay for it, if you pay for the domain, everything, this is how it will look like. But after continuing our work, when I install it, the demo data we want to use now, you will see that everything will work out. And like I said earlier, I said everything we'll be using in this training is free of charge. So relax your mind. You are not spending any money apart from your data money. Now, what we need to do is that most of the time I don't like all these things. It has been my habit. I used to untick them. Me like bukini. I might be no see me. I don't just like it. So you just come to this place, come to appearance. Can you see under appearance, click on theme. So we're going to install our theme and the demo data we'll be using. So the name of the theme we'll be using is Astra. I so much love them. I can't lie to you. I love Astra. Like, yes. Okay, you can do it. Let me leave it like this. So just type Astra. So it's loading. What's happened? Where is my Astra? This is not the Astra I'm looking for. I'm looking for the normal Astra. Please don't do this mistake. Don't install this Astra. Don't use this one. This is not the Astra I'm looking for. So I will go on. I will come here again and click on it again and search for Astra. Yeah, this is the one I'm looking for. I love it so much. You click on it. What happened to hey, my Astra? What happened to my Astra? Wait, let me look for it. So immediately I click on it. So you will click on install here. So our team is installing. So let's give it some minutes to install. Why all these things are so let's wait. Now our team has successfully been installed. So let's activate it. Now can you see now? So let's do some things again. So let's go back to this place, to this heading, so let's come to our plugin and let's click on add new. We want to come and install the demo data we'll be using, and so there's a particular, oh, why this thing right in storage? Okay, let me just cancel it for now. I will go and work on it later. Sorry, I was going to rehabilitate it rather. I have some courses on my phone that is very heavy, so I need to go and move them from my phone to my memory card. Now we'll be adding our plugin, and the plugin we'll be using is Astra Starter Template. This is the plugin, so you can click on here to get started, and you activate that. You can also search it from here. So let's assume you can click on here and let's activate it from here, and at the same time you can search it from here. And we'll still be adding some plugin like Elementor and stuff like that, but okay, so let's wait a little bit. The team is activating. Now once the team is activated, just click on Elementor. That is what we'll be using for the team. That's what we'll be using. We'll be using Elementor as our page builder rather. So now we can let me return it back to this. Now there's a lot of wonderful design, but you know, like I said earlier, I promise that everything we'll be using in this team is free. We will be using rather is free. So let me just click on here and come to free. Click on free. Now, so everything we'll be seeing here now is free. So what about website do we want to create? You have there's a lot of website there. You can create a lot of website. Maybe you want to create an event website, you can use this one. Maybe you want to create maybe you want to create maybe like e-commerce website, or a website where you want to display your product, you can use here. Maybe you want to create a website whereby you can begin to teach people on how to maybe you want to begin to start an online learning, whereby an online teaching or online classes for people on your website. You can create this, you can use this one, Learn Dash Academy. You know, there's a lot of online program that we do online, so you can use that demo data. And maybe you want to create an e-commerce website, you can use this Brainstorm. An e-commerce website is a website whereby you can sell, and people can buy and sell on your website. They can come to your website and buy rather. So let me click on the one I want. There's a lot of demo you can use here. There's a lot of demo you can use, but you know, I am let me just use, maybe I'm gonna use that. Maybe I should create a personal website for myself. I'm gonna use an accounting. This is for barbing shop. This is for plumber. If you want to design a lot of websites, but for the purpose of this training, without wasting much of our time, so let me use. Should I use marketing? Should I do a growth marketing? Which one should I use? Which one should I use? Michael. So now, which one should I use? Car cleaner. No, I'm not using this one. Let me go and use. I saw one here. Accountant. I study accounting in my academy in my school. So should I use this one, or I don't? So you can just this for e-commerce again. You can use this one for e-commerce. Let me just try this. Let me use this accounting. You know, I'm an accountant and I study accounting at Adedapo Micheal University. I'm in 200 level presently. So let me just go for this one. So this is the page. This one has a lot of pages. Okay, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 pages. This team has this demo rather has 6 pages. So you can preview it before you install it, and at the same time you can just import it. You can just import. Can you see? Click on import complete site. Just click on it. Yeah, if you have maybe you have installed any theme before on your website, and maybe you just want to change it, to something else again, you can maybe you want to import another new theme, you can delete the previous one. click on this place, but we are not doing that. We just leave it and import complete site. So now the theme is importing now. Wow, the theme has successfully been installed. So we can view our site from here, and at the same time, let's go back to our site. Let's go back and let me show you something. Let me clean this one. Now, this is our default website. This is how it looked like the other time. Now let me refresh it now. And if you are using your laptop, you can press Control R to refresh. Can you see? Look at the website. Look at it without doing anything. And this is how your website will look like if you are using laptop. This is the same way you will do it, and this is the same way it will look like. There is nothing there. You can do it. That is why why I'm conducting this training. Can you see a very wonderful website? A very wonderful website. You don't have any problem. Can you see? You don't have any problem. Now what you just need to do is just to begin to edit it. Maybe you don't like this thing, and let me tell you the truth. If you see any web designer, go on, let me ask any web designer, this is what they do. But the issue is that most of them did not use phone. They use what? They use a particular what do I call it? They use laptop. But with your phone, you can still do something wonderful. But I'm also using phone. I'm using phone, so you can do it. But when my client give me work, if my client give me work, I use laptop. But because of this training, I want to train you how you can do it. Many of us, we don't have money and want to do something nice. You can do it. Don't be limited. So let's go back to our website and begin to edit it. So if you are clicking on any website, this is what you will be seeing. But let's go back to our website. So let's go back to our website. You can just I don't want to view this site. You can just click on here. Yeah. Just click on here and come to your pages. Click on all pages. So I will just do some little editing for you. So because I can't edit everything, I can't do everything for you here. And I have a premium course on web design. In the course, I did different type of website. I built an hotel website. I built an e-commerce website whereby you can integrate a payment gateway that you'll be collecting payment through your website. I did that one again. I did an restaurant website. I did a school management website. In this course, you will get school management website. You will get how you can build a website for universities, or let's say for college, and with WordPress standard one, whereby each student will have his own dashboard. That normal, like school university website. I build you will get a course here. Sorry, the network is slowing, but let's just wait. And in this my course again, you will get how your website can rank to first Google to the front page of Google. Is there? There's a lot of websites I built I build personal a company website. As in, if you want to build a company website, in this my courses that I did, I built it there again. I built so many websites, like 8 websites, different type of 8 websites, that they are the most rain one, as in the most common one that people are building. That is what I built. And with that course, I can bet it with you will become a professional web designer. And you see, and at the same time, if you get that course from me, I will also teach you how to run Facebook ads. And not that alone again, I will teach you how to run Upwork account. How you can open an Upwork account. It's not easy. They don't used to approve people's account, but with my method, with my teaching, you will open an Upwork account and they will approve it instantly. The last one I opened recently, I think day before yesterday, within 5 minutes my account was approved. The Facebook ad that I did, I think I did that one yesterday or day before yesterday. I think it was day before yesterday. It was approved instantly. So It was approved within, I think, 5 minutes or 4 minutes or 3 minutes or some minutes, sir. So let's wait for this thing to load and start our work. Now we have a lot of page. In this our page, I said it's 6 page. Now this is it. 1, 2, 3. All this one are just the default page, so don't be moving them. So let's just go and work in this place. Let's click on this place. Okay, let's click on edit with Elementor. Our Elementor is our page builder. Is what we want to be using to build our website. So, and anything you did on Elementor, and once you save, you must save it. You must always save on Elementor. But when I get that, I will explain better to you. It's loading. The network is somehow slow. I've been trying to do this. It's not loading. The network is slow. It's slowing. But I went to another place to do some things again. It's still not loading again. Okay, let me just show you this thing in case you want to. In case maybe you want to be removing your background. You want to remove background from your picture. Just come to remove BG. Just click on removebg.com. It will take you to this place. If not, because of the network, you want to remove any background from your image, any image background, and they have an app. You can go to their Play Store and go and download their app. Remove BG. Let us assume I want to remove the background of this image now. Let me say I want to remove the background of this image. Can you see the network is somehow bad? Somehow bad. Let me try another picture. And I just want to show you how you can edit your website. It's very easy. Editing is the most very easy. It's the most very easy, but the network is not going. I don't know. It's even paining me. God. I don't know how this network is somehow it's somehow annoying. Can you see now? This place should have load. Still loading again. I just want to show you how you can edit your website. Very easy way. Why this in? I've been waiting for over some minutes now. The network is not going. It's not going. I'll try new incognito. I've tried another place. It's not going. The network is somehow bad. I don't even know what to do again. I don't know. On the training will start tonight. But it's very pretty easy to do. Very easy to do. Now this is our website. Now our website is live. Like we all see the other time. I guess it's loading. In fact, it's paining me but there's nothing I can do. Now this is our website. Now the only thing we just need to do is just to edit everything. And in fact, I just want to show you, it's very simple. All these things you are looking at is very simple to edit. Very simple to edit. In fact, if you look at the video I did in the premium course I told you in the premium course you will like it because I make the course so easy, so easy. The network is showing because it's supposed to show something here, but I don't know why the network is doing like this. Network. Oh god. So in our page, if you want to go to about page, it's loading this one now. For him to load the other place, I don't know what is happened to him. So our service page, what we do. I said I'm using accounting store of a thing. But now if I go back to the, let me just click there. Let me go back to the store. Maybe it will load. I don't need you again. I don't need you again. Remove VG. Open again. Okay, do I copy the link? Okay, I think I copy it. So let me go back again and open. Hello, I noticed something because after I wait for a lot of period of time for Elementor to load, I went to go and do some research and I found out I've forgotten to tell you that Elementor cannot be used on phone, so it can only be used on laptop as a page builder. So I needed to go and install. I needed to go and install another template. I now use another page builder, which is the Gumbeteng. Another page builder I use is Jane, but I will tell you the name. The name is somehow logical. Jane Bottom, a big go bottom sharp. Gutenberg, yeah, is the first one. So now I've imported the another demo rather. So let's visit the demo now. You know the other time I used accounting stuff, but now I've imported another demo. I need to show you now. So let's wait. Now this is it. This time around we are dealing with restaurant website. So this is our website. This is how it look like. So we'll begin to edit it now. Now without wasting much of time. Let me start editing the website of a store. So just close there. Come to this place. Go to all pages. Go to pages and click on all pages. Now let's just work on our quick editing. Let's edit our let's edit our website. So it's loading. Now once you want to edit anything in WordPress, it will give you this sign, and this sign is just the default page builder. This is the WordPress page builder. This is its own page builder. But you know, since we are not using this one, since we have installed another page builder that will be using, which is Gutenberg. So we will not use it. We just click on this one. So we can just come here. Let me change my screen. Let me change the screen of my phone. Yeah. So let me just use get in touch with us. Okay. Get in touch with us. In touch with us. You know, I'm editing the contact page. I made a mistake. I want to click on what is it called, home page, but I will make a mistake and click on edit contact page. So now let me just change this text over here. Deleting restaurants, because I'm designing a restaurant website now. Dleading restaurants is the best restaurants in Nigeria. Restaurant in Nigeria. Okay. You can call us for more information. I'm just using this as an example. If I'm designing my own website, I don't used to write like this. For more information. So you can change this place. Are you hungry? You can just say you need to eat. Let me see. What can I use? Do you care for a nice meal? Do you care for me? Do you care for a nice meal? Wow. Really to my care. Now let's update. So let's go to our website now and go and preview what the changes that we did here now. Let's go and look at it in our website. You will see that automatically the changes we made here will reflect in our website, in the front end of our website. Let this thing upload. Now let's go to our page. This is our website. Now let's go to, we are in contact us, the one we were editing. You will see now. Can you see? Get in touch with us. The leading restaurant is the best restaurant in Nigeria. Do you care for a nice meal? Can you see? Automatically you are done. See, let me tell you something. I designed this website for one of my clients recently. I use Elementor. I didn't use this one. Wow, if you look at the comments, you will love it. So let's go to let me go and edit your home page again so that you won't think maybe it is only this place alone. So let's go to let me go back to let me go back to here. No. Yeah. So let me go back to the dashboard, all pages again, and let me just edit the home page. Yeah. This is where I want to edit. I want to go and click here. Home page. Just click on edit. Me money come. So, my brethren, I also want you to know that Jesus Christ is the secret of everything. So, please, if you are watching this tutorial and you have not yet given your life to Christ, please, this is the best time to do so. I pray the Lord will be with you. Now, let's come and edit it now. Let me edit it now. So let me write best restaurants the store mo tún lọ kọ ẹgbà mi o ọ̀bọ̀ yìí ò máa restaurant kò máa spell restaurant máa o restaurant in Africa. So I will change this name. I will change it to Dleading restaurant. So you can just come and change this word to so let me say eating the best food. Sorry. Eating the best food in why is it loading? Eating the best food in a best restaurant, in a best restaurant rather. I'm sorry if I did a mistake, correct me. In the best restaurants is good than being with your wife. So I will update it now. Let me update it now. So it's updating. Now our website is updated. Let's go and check our website. So I'll just come back to this place and I will refresh my website. Let me just go to home page. No, we did home page. Home page load now, and the website is doing me gishi. Look at it. Within a few minutes, best restaurant in Africa, the leading restaurant, eating the best food in the best restaurant is good. And look at it. Who will see this website and say this website is not nice? You will just change everything. Who will see it and say it's not nice? Except that person. Well, don't let me talk, chat. See, you can do a lot of things, and this one has a picture. Okay, this one, it's not a sliding, so you can just play around with it. So I'll be ending this video here now. You can just do the same thing for everything. If you don't want any picture, you can click on the picture and delete it and put your own. So let me end this picture here now, and we will see you later. Thank you. God bless you for participating in this training.